Hello and welcome back to Modulate. Behind me is this beautifully light-filled office that we recently completed for Coffs Harbour City Council. Let's go take a look at it. Now the thing that I love most about this office is the number of windows that it has. You can never have too many windows in my opinion. As for the roof, all of our extra wide container buildings that we build from scratch have ColourBond roofs with gutters that catch and direct the water off the building roof. Around the back of the building, we've mounted the external AC unit on brackets. We can also mount this unit in a recessed and caged box to prevent any tampering. That's about everything for the outside of this build. Let's take a look inside. We designed this building with our client to serve as a one-person Weighbridge station office, so it has everything you'd need for a full day in the office. We've fitted a tiny kitchenette along the back wall made with Laminex joinery and high-quality soft-close hardware. On the other side of this PA access door, we've built in a little nook for the fridge and the microwave above. In this particular build, we've installed two PA access doors. One will exit to the weighbridge on the side and the other's going to exit out the back behind a fenced area. Like all of our office builds, we use 50mm EPS panels for the walls and ceiling. All the electrical cabling is run in the cavity behind, giving the office a clean and tidy matte white finish. We've also added in loads of data and PowerPoints. The flooring in this office space is a timber look vinyl plank which comes in either 2.5 or 5mm thick and a range of colours. Through the internal door behind me, you'll find the toilet room with a small store cupboard. Let's go take a look at it. As you can see, we're able to build quite a spacious toilet room when building with our extra wide containers. Generally as a standard, we include a hand basin, mirror, soap dispenser and paper towel dispenser. Just across from the toilet, we've also added in a built-in storeroom. Now the flooring in the toilet is different from the flooring in the office space. It's sheet vinyl and it's coved 100mm up the wall for ease of cleaning. That covers just about everything in this build. For more information on our modular office spaces, head over to our website for a free quote. And so you don't miss any of our new modular and portable container building videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next build.